Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine. So without any further ado, let's get started. So now I am opening my system properties to show that my window is not activated. I have given the link in the description. Open the link and follow my step. Once link is open, click on download. Once download is complete, open Windows Studio and turn off Window Defender. After that, extract the zip file once extract is complete, install the application. After that, open application and click on the red button. Now check if your window is activated. As you can see, mine is activated. Now open control panel and uninstall the application. Hope you like the video, so give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.